The Niue government's development plans for the island has been questioned by those outside of Niue as ideas of a casino emerge. The government wished to establish gambling facilities on the island. This morning, Honourable Premier Tokita Langi told Radio New Zealand that a legislation will enable government to create such an establishment, as there are provisions in the current law that allows for changes. The news that Niue will be or is looking at a casino has had people scrambling to access information whether the reports were true. BCN News spoke to a few people of the idea. Half was in agreement with the government and the other half not so sure. Unfortunately, we were not able to talk to Premier Talangi today regarding this report. As part of government's development plans for Niue, Premier Tokita Talangi is optimistic about tourism plans for the island, with a hope that Air New Zealand will add on an extra flight for Niue, attracting more visitors. The proposal is that the new casino will be an additional part to a hotel. We will bring you more on this story in our future news bulletin.